What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. Today we're going to be getting some things. We got to make a run to go to the store and get us some things for this movie night for the church. So let's hit it. Yeah, we're having a movie night every 3 months. Every 3 months, we have a movie night. So 4 times a year, we have movie night for our church. So I'm going to look for a speaker, like for the TV that we have in the church. Usually we decorate it pretty well, we get it looking real nice, so you'll see the transformation of the church as we move it from church to movie night, and we'll see what it looks like, and you'll get to see the transformation. So right now, enjoy the scenery. All right, we made it to the store. Let's go in there and see what they got. Okay, I got my sound bar and got me a Fanta. I love strawberry. It's really good. Now it's time to go back home. Let's go. All right, we got the soundbar at home, and now I am hooking it up. It came with a lot of goodies. We have a remote that came with it. We have a couple of cords, instructions. I got the soundbar over here. I already took it out, start hooking it up. It comes with the cord because the TV that I have, it's an older model, so it doesn't have the it's not Bluetooth, so I have to use the cord that goes in there. So we're gonna check it out and see how it works. Once I get through, we're gonna try it out and see how it works. All right. Well, the installation of the soundbar came out really nice. All of the things that we have for movie night came out nice. All the decorations, all of the food, we got everything together. If this is the type of content that you like to see, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get all the latest content that we do on this channel. Well, as I say always, stay blessed and faithful and keep cruising with Christ.